Alright, what's up guys? So this is a nighttime thunderstorm, very severe one. There's heavy rain pouring. There's heavy downpours. I got one, but that wasn't bright enough. I gotta get a bright flash. Yeah, we are in a severe thunderstorm warning. Let's wait for a bright flash. Ooh! Got that one. That was kind of bright, but not very bright. I gotta get a very bright one. Yeah, I almost dropped the camera. Ooh! There it is! Listen to the thunder. Listen. Here it comes. Whoa. That sounded like a crackle. That was a good one. Ooh, I can feel the house shaking. Might wait for another one. But that was a good one. Excuse me. Yeah, this thunderstorm looks so nice. This is a nice thunderstorm because of the lightning flashes. The lightning flashes look very cool. This thunderstorm is awesome. It is wonderful. Let's wait for another one. Yeah, I got that one. It was really cool. Let's see if we can get another one. Let's see if we can get another bright flash. Because I got that one. Let me pause the video. Alright guys, so I had to start again. Whoa! That was bright. There's a car driving in this weather. Didn't rumble, but it did when that flash came. Alright, and that's it.